everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and today I want to talk to you about a kit that we've just put together. These are products that we've had for a while, but we see that a lot of our customers would rather go ahead and click one button in order to have the whole collection. And that collection here is, we're going to have two separate kits, one for 602s and the other for 604s, but it's a complete toolkit for everything that you need for changing your valve springs. So to start off, you want to go ahead and on your engine, you want to go ahead and check your valve spring pressures. So this is our valve spring pressure tester from LSM. And on this one, we order this specially with a 160-pound gauge. A lot of the valve spring pressure testers that you see out there are going to have a 500-pound gauge, and or 500 or 600. But because of that, each of those tick marks ends up being 5 pounds. It really doesn't help you with accuracy when we're going to have lower numbers on crate engine valve springs. So on this one, it's a 160-pound gauge, which means each of these tick marks is only 2 pounds. So we really like our LSM valve spring pressure tester. Now, when you realize that it's time to go ahead and change your valve springs, the next tool you'll need is a valve spring changing tool. And we do have videos on the valve spring pressure tester, the valve spring changer, and I'll get to another one in a second. But our valve spring changer, you can go ahead and use this on your engine to change out your valve springs. And we're including a speed handle. You could use a wrench, but the speed handle is cooler, and it makes it a lot faster to be able to move this up and down on your engine. So this is our LSM valve spring changer. Next up is, I guess even before that, you do need to pump up your cylinders with some air. And so this is our Moroso spark plug adapter kit. And this way you can use this to put this into the spark plug hole to go ahead and pump up that cylinder. So that way you don't have to have anything that drops into the engine when you're changing your valve springs. Really necessary tool. And so we're including that in the kit. And then besides that, we also have our valve lash adjusting tool. So once you get your valve springs changed out, you're going to want to measure the valve, or adjust the valve lash as well. And there's another video on that for using this tool, and again from LSM. So each of these kits, one of them will include a match set of our 602 valve springs, and the other kit will be a set of a matched 604 beehive valve springs. And these are available now in our store at CrateInsider.com. If you have any questions, drop them into the comments wherever you're seeing this video, and we will be happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the website, and we'll see you in another video.